guys, this is Trish from Project Floor. Just wanted to show you this beautiful Grevillea plant, and we use this as greenery and foliage, and it's got these amazing texture to it. It has this serrated edge and the tips kind of curve inward and have a really burgundy kind of tint to it. So we love using it with burgundy arrangements. It just really adds some texture and interest. The Grevillea is part of the Protea family, and you can see it has some flowers in there. So sometimes you get it flowering. If you order from us, these come in stems of around 6. And it's a plant that's native to New Guinea, Indonesia, Islands, and New Caledonia. It is named after Charles Francis Grevillea. So thank you for checking it out. Hopefully we'll see you soon.